everyone, welcome to Deepika Makeup. Today I'm going to show you how I create this simple Kohl eye makeup. First I'm going to apply some face primer on the areas where I have large pores and also on my T-zone area where my skin tends to get oily, and whatever is left on, I'll just spread it all over my face. Then moving on to foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I have a full review on this foundation, concealer and also powder. So if you're interested, you can check out, the link will be in the description box. I'm going to spread this all over my face. To cover my additional hyperpigmentation and blemishes, I'm going to apply some concealer onto the spots that needed some more work. And I'm going to blend this with my foundation brush so it's blended into the foundation shade. Then for my under eyes, I'm first going to color correct my under eyes with Bobbi Brown color corrector in peach. I'm only going to apply this onto the areas where I have intense darkness. And then to conceal and highlight, I'm going to apply Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Under my eyes, I'm also going to apply this on the high points of my face where I like to highlight my face. Then I'm going to set all the base makeup with some compact powder. Moving on to eyebrows, I am going to use my favorite It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. I'm going to sketch out and fill in my eyebrows and then blend everything with a spoolie which is on the other side of this pencil. Moving on to eye makeup, I'm first going to apply some eyeshadow primer so that my eye makeup builds down for a longer time without creasing. And then I'm using my favorite Lorac Pro Palette. I'm going in with the shade taupe with a blending brush and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid and also in the crease and above my crease as a transition shade. Then I'm going to mix shades Cream and Champagne and I'm going to apply this under my eyebrows and also in the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to take the shade Mauve with the flat shader brush and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to take my black Kohl pencil and I'm going to line my lower waterline and also my upper waterline, and I'm also going to bring this slightly down to my lash line as well. Then I'm going to take a small pencil brush. I'm going to smudge this eyeliner and whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to use it to add a wing to my eye makeup. I'm not adding too much Kohl pencil only because I want the makeup to look very soft. Then with the same pencil brush, I'm going to take the shade Sable and I'm going to use it to set this eyeliner so it doesn't move throughout the day. I'm also going to blend some very close to my lash line. To further add more definition, I'm going to take black with the angle brush and I'm going to push this close to my lash line. And then I'm going to give it a final blending with a pencil brush. Going back in with Kohl pencil only in the inner rims of my eye, and then I'm going to finish off my eye makeup with 3 coats of mascara onto my upper lashes and also my lower lashes. Moving back to face, I'm gonna contour my face with Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. I'm going to apply the contour shade in the hollows of my cheekbones, jawline, temples of my face, and I'm also going to use the very same shade to contour my nose. Then I'm going to take my favorite blush. This is a Balm Instain blush in Pinstripe. I'm going to add some color onto my cheekbones. And then I'm going to add Essence Pure Nude highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones. I'm also going to add some on the bridge of my nose, center of my eyebrows, cupid's bow and chin. Then I'm going to line my lips with Tarte's lip liner in Late Gram. I wouldn't recommend this lip liner. I just don't like it. Even though the shade is nice, the formula is really bad. And I'm going to finish off my makeup with Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Patina. This is my all-time favorite liquid lipstick. The formula and the color is just amazing. And that finishes this makeup look. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button and also do subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon right beside it so you can get notified about my future uploads. And that's a wrap, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Goodbye.